I already created a folder, so let's just scan that. By the way, I would really appreciate it if you subscribe. I have a wife and child to feed. And a like. A like would be great, because that shows that you like the video you're watching. So we select on screen, and then condensed. And we want, yeah, things are highlighting correctly, so the zoom level on the browser is okay. So I want that, and I want that. No problems over here, so we finish the screen. Advanced. Close your window. Let's go back here and see what we got. Okay, so we got the to-do and the completed tasks. Great. Let's drag this module over here. Because we have these 6 rows, we know them. We need to iterate over them, or create repetitions. So let's create a folder called repetitions. Okay. And there it is there, you see it? Repetition. Let's give it a better name. Okay, and then we're gonna say there are 6 repetitions. Because we saw 6, didn't we? Okay. Drag our test step in there. Okay, that's the way it should look. Now, in this to do, we have to select the ID column. And we don't want to count the actual like 1, 2, 3. We actually want to go ID with the value of 1. The ID with the value of 2. Okay? So we need to select on this to do, we need to select a column called ID, and it is then the cell value of repetition. Okay. And drag and drops are always an input. So drag D-R-A-G. Okay, cool. Let's just see if that runs. So we actually have a repetition value. Let's just run that in the scratchbook. Great. Can make a TikTok video out of that. So that worked. Okay, that's cool. Let's go back. It like that. So now we've dragged it, and then we're going to drop it over to this completed tasks. Drop it there. Select? No. Drag and drops are input activities. You're inputting like basically a mouse release into that control. So let's give it a go again. We got 6 on the left, okay. Run it from the repetition folder. I like the way it does a little curtsy. I don't know why it does that, but I like it. Now I know I make that look easy, guys, but I actually had to spend half an hour on that because it's been a while since I played with tables. I had to look up the documentation, and it wasn't as straightforward as I thought it was going to be. But you know, I hope you enjoyed it. Now let's go back here. So you got that little test. You got something that does something. This is great. Okay. But don't forget, we need to have some decent structure around the way we do things. And I'm all for reuse, guys. Reuse is really important. So we're going to paste that in there. We're going to go in and take out the old test step. Okay. And we're going to drag that one in there. Don't forget, verify needs to be at the bottom. You're going to let's tidy things up. We got a to-do list. Our pre folder, test configuration. It is, I thought we set that up. We did, yeah. Maybe they should be high level. Yeah. Paste. Yeah, maybe those. I set up these two configuration parameters, obstacle course URL and obstacle ID. And when I copied it, they were dropped. So maybe I should set the obstacle ID on the folder that these things are in. Paste it here, okay? Okay. So then we take the obstacle number and we change that. So if somebody changes the obstacle course URL, we're good to go. It's easy to change it in one location. Now we don't want a specific one. We can't delete them, okay? Oh, I think that's because they were maybe overwritten or something like that. Reset the default value. And just trying to remember that one. Okay, so now you can see what was changed. That was changed. And then this has a number. So you got a visual clue that it was changed. To-do list. N. Okay, that's how it works. You set them at the higher level, browser, obstacle course URL, and obstacle course ID set to NNN. Now 2 times, I made a mistake there and I've forgotten what it is. Oh, it's that number there, so we can type that number in there, okay. 729, 729, 54. Goes bold because you changed it. Bold because it was changed. Bold because it was changed. Okay, so that's the pre is done. Happy with that. Now in the process, set the repetitions, and then we get to verify it popped up. Hit me to next rule is true, and in post we're going to close the browser. So now let's just close that browser, run that. The Internet Explorer should disappear, and it did. Very good. So let's run it from the top. One, 2, 3, Count Dracula. 4, 5, 6, and it worked. Hey, cool, eh? Yeah, I'm happy enough with that, guys. Okay, so please review my automation, guys. Thank you very much. Oh, it looks good. Great, thanks. Completed. So then we're done there, okay? Tosca bots can fly. That is also completed. And 2 times was also completed. Hey guys, I'm pretty pleased with that. Let's have a look at the modules. Do we need to do anything with that? No, we do not. Right. So we're finished with that. Cool. Cheers, guys. Hope you liked it. Subscribe, like, please. I need the audience engagement. I need the viewers. I need the subscribers. I have a family to feed. Bye-bye.